welcome to the video. Today we're gonna actually go hiking for 3 waterfalls. We're gonna see you in the first waterfall, and then I have a Minecraft shirt on. Has Alex, Sunderman, Creeper, and a skeleton and Steve, and that's my dad.
That's a sprinter.
This is me. And see you later in the first. I will see you in the first waterfall. Woo!
Woohoo!
And get toys!
Alright, we're walking to the first waterfall. Dad, how are you feeling today?
Very good.
Excited?
I'm going to excited too.
You're super excited too?
Now we're going.
Ooh, look at that.
Take a picture of our...
Spa Hut's viewpoint, 5 minutes.
Take a picture on the sign.
Say cheese.
Say chicken nuggets.
Say what?
Chicken nuggets.
Hi kids, welcome to today we're doing a vlog. Look at the waterfall! Whoa!
Look at the waterfall. That's crazy.
And it's
So what do you think of the waterfall?
great. Parkour.
Parkour.
That move.
No smoking. Whoa.
Hello.
Hello. You're king of the world. Okay kids, take a look at this view. Got a lot of history in these rocks. I don't know what kind, and I don't know what that really means. But there's a lot of history there. Okay, if you had to rate that waterfall out of 10, what would you give it?
I rate that
I'll
7.
give it
A 7? What do you think, Judge?
a 5.
A 5 only?
Yeah.
What was wrong with it?
B.
Oh, bees. I think I would give that a solid 8 out of 10.
No.
That was pretty good.
Instead of it, it'll only be 0 out of 10.
Huh?
Ooh.
B.
Ooh.
Yeah, there's lots of bees. We better hurry.
Run away from the bees! Goodbye, waterfall number 1. Time to go to the next one. Hi kids, welcome back. We are at waterfall number 2. There is a car that is approaching.
Don't
Alright.
Hey, stand over there, you two.
Dawson Falls. Julian, take a picture.
You and your lace. Yellow chips.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say yellow chips.
Yellow chips.
Whoa, look at that.
Look at it.
Oh, you can see a little bit there.
Whoa, we have to get to that thing.
We have to get there. How do we get there?
I need to eat.
Julian, can you tell everyone why you have yellow chips today?
Because I'm hungry.
Dad's fighting off all the bugs over there.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Oh, there's a lot of
There are a lot of bees. There's a sign right there. It says go this way. So that's where we're going.
Hi kids, welcome to the video. Today, we're actually going in a waterfall.
We are at waterfall number 2. This one's called Dawson's Falls. Look at that.
Ah, ha, ha.
think?
Good.
What's happening? Listen to the sound. Alright, Jillian, what would you rate this waterfall out of 10?
0 out of 10.
0?
This one's a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, me too. I think this is a 9 out of 10.
We're going hiking. It wasn't that too bad. It was really quick.
Yeah, we just got here. Like, we just left the parking lot. This is our third and final waterfall. What's it called, Dad? HELMCKEN. This is the 4th highest waterfall in Canada. In all of Canada. I think. I hope that's right. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
They're not water. They're just smoke. They're not water. So they're just smoke. They're not even
What does the
water.
sign say? The power of water.
Way to go.
Okay, let's go.
That was pretty cool. What do you think?
What do you think, Jim? 10 out of 10?
It's only been 2 minutes. Already passed.
Julian, can you smile for the camera?
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Alright, we've officially finished all of our waterfalls. So now
It's so summer.
we're gonna go back. Hey, pretty cool. Don't drop my stuff. Are you insane? No, not my toothbrush. Put my toothbrush back.